Hi everyone, this is Bob Honish at the National Weather Service in Great Falls with your weekly weather briefing for north central and southwest Montana for the week of August 11th through the 18th. The main weather headlines for our area through the next week include persistent heat and related fire weather concerns, along with a chance for thunderstorms through this Saturday. Here is a look at the main weather hazards and impacts through the next 7 days. Please pause this slide for a closer review before we get into the details. The large-scale weather pattern that has brought hotter than average temperatures to the region for the last several weeks will persist for at least another week as high pressure centered over the interior western U.S. remains in place and even strengthens some next week while extending a bit further to the northwest. This is a stagnant large-scale weather pattern that may persist through the rest of the month. The bottom line here is that there are no signs of any significant moderation or cooling, at least through next week and likely beyond. The 8 to 14 day temperature outlook reflects this, including high probabilities for above normal temperatures through late this month. This water vapor satellite loop from early Thursday morning shows a plume of moisture from the southwest U.S. being drawn north into the northern Rockies in the circulation between an upper level low centered off the Washington coast and high pressure centered over Wyoming and Colorado. This plume of increased moisture will remain over the region through Saturday before shifting east of the area, bringing a daily chance for mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms through Saturday. Thunderstorm coverage will be greatest over southwest Montana, but at least isolated thunderstorms are expected further north Friday and Saturday, with Friday likely to have the greatest coverage area-wide. Severe thunderstorms are not anticipated, but gusty winds and lightning will be a concern with any storms, particularly on Friday when somewhat greater instability is expected across the area. The deep moisture in place will support the potential for locally heavy downpours with some storms as well, with the best chance for localized heavy rainfall amounts across southwest Montana. While the probability is very low, there is a small risk for flash flooding in far southwest Montana, outlined by the excessive rainfall outlooks for today and Friday. Feel free to pause this presentation here for a closer inspection of these outlooks. Clouds and increased moisture will bring slight improvement to afternoon humidity through Saturday, but lightning and gusty winds associated with the increased thunderstorm activity will keep fire weather conditions elevated. While most thunderstorms over the next several days will produce wetting rain, lightning on the periphery of storm cells will bring the potential for new fire ignitions, some of which could emerge late this weekend or early next week as much drier air redevelops across the area. Looking ahead, the continuing hot weather pattern, seasonally high fire danger, and ongoing dryness will maintain elevated fire weather conditions through next week. A drier air mass returns Sunday through early next week, with afternoon humidity likely to fall below 15% for most areas, along with poor overnight humidity recovery outside of valley locations. Significant winds are not predicted, but breezy afternoon periods are likely, especially on Sunday. As a reminder, this Thursday briefing will be discontinued sometime this month. The main briefing will be continued on Sundays, which will continue to cover expected hazards for the entire state, not just north central and southwest Montana. It will also be changed to a PDF document only. Here's another look at this week's main weather hazards. Please check back for the latest forecasts and updates on our website, through social media, or give us a call or email with any questions or concerns. Thanks for listening and have a great week.